Beloved community, today we gather to explore a transformative and essential aspect of our spiritual journey, the power of forgiveness. In the teachings of the Church of Elle, forgiveness is not merely an act of kindness, it is a profound pathway to healing the soul and discovering the freedom that lies beyond resentment. Imagine a heart weighed down by the burdens of anger and a hurt heart that longs for peace yet feels shackled by past wounds. Each of us has faced moments of pain, betrayal, and disappointment, and it can be all too easy to hold on to those feelings. But I invite you to consider this. What if forgiveness could be the key to unlocking the door to a more vibrant existence? Forgiveness is a radical act of love. It is a choice to release the grip of negativity and to embrace the light of compassion. In the Church of Elle, we believe that when we forgive, we not only set others free, but also liberate ourselves from the chains that bind us. It is an act of courage and invites healing into our lives, allowing us to reclaim our joy and our connection to the divine. Think about the moments in your life when you have been forgiven or when you have offered forgiveness to another. These moments hold sacred energy, a shift in the atmosphere that brings light to darkness, hope to despair, and love to fear. In forgiving, we mirror the love of Elle. We we encourage ourselves to rise above our human limitations and embrace the divine potential within us. As we delve into the importance of forgiveness, let us recognize that it is not always easy. It requires vulnerability and the willingness to confront our pain. Know this, every step you take towards forgiveness is a step towards healing your soul. It is an invitation to let go of your resentment, to release the past, and to embrace the transformative power of love. Forgiveness is also deeply connected to our spiritual freedom. When we hold on to grudges, we create barriers that prevent us from experiencing the fullness of life and the grace of Elle. Letting go of resentment opens our hearts to new possibilities and deeper connections within ourselves and others. It allows us to move forward on our spiritual journeys with renewed purpose and clarity. So I invite you, dear friends, to reflect on the areas of your life where forgiveness is needed. Who do you need to forgive? What wounds are you holding back on from experiencing the love and joy that is your birthright? As you contemplate these questions, allow your curiosity to guide you toward the healing that forgiveness can bring. In the Church of Elle, we welcome you to explore this path with us. Together, we can support one another in the journey of forgiveness, celebrating the courage it takes to heal and grow. Let your heart be open to the possibility that forgiveness can change your life, transforming your past into a brighter future. Embrace the power of forgiveness as a sacred gift, both to yourself and to those around you. In this act of love, you will find not only healing, but also deeper connection to the divine and to the community that surrounds you. Join us in this journey of liberation, where we lift each other up and walk towards the light of Elle together. May you find the strength to forgive and grace to heal, the joy of the spiritual freedom that awaits you. Amen.